Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Spine X tutorial how to mirror ruler. So if you want to create the mirror ruler, you can click this ruler tools and then click at these icons to use the mirror ruler. So you can change for the face in it, like I will set into this point, 50 degree. So it will be set into the vertical ruler. After it, you can draw like with brush tools. I will create from this point. It will be create the mirror drawings in another side. Okay, you also can change again by clicking these tools. And then I will set path in it into this point. 0%. And then you can draw again, like from this point into here. So this is for the basic, how to use the mirror ruler. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Spine X tutorial. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.